Brentford Project summer series has been amazing. We've had around 3,000 people down this summer. We've had so many different kinds of events, and I think people have really enjoyed their experience here.
I'm amazed at how many people are here. I don't know where they've been in Brentford before, but here they are.
I found the event really nice, kind of like a different scene to what Brentford used to be, kind of hipster, modern and fun.
When you're developing in a town centre, I mean, one of the dangers is that you kind of lose some of the spirit of the town. So the Brentford Project is a kind of an initiative that we've started, a culture initiative to try and engage with the community and bring people in and make sure that as we develop the town centre out, that it's done together with the community.
The event today is very exciting. There's a lot of blue, it stands out, and it just gives a different feel to Brentford.
Today there was like food, dance, music, culture, everything was cultivated to each age group, so it was really special and really unique, yeah.
It's been really cool because I've got to see a lot of cool stuff, cars, everything, food, and just seeing the community as well, the community come together before it even launches, like it's crazy. And even better that I get to perform.
It's bringing something new to the area, bringing a sense of community. It's an opportunity for people to come and enjoy the music together, enjoy the food together.
I love the way you talk when you're walking that walk.
The atmosphere has been fantastic. A lot of people really enjoying the beer, the food. I think because we are a small brewery, it's been great to be able to talk about our story and get to know the community a bit better and really spread the word as to what we're doing. So it's been great.
Communities need the arts. People don't relocate to a place because they've got another faceless department store. People come to places that have got a strong artistic heritage.
So I think an event like this today is super important because, especially in communities like this, I think it just needs a bit of love injected. It's good for like the whole community to get together. I think it just sparks happiness.
The thing that always strikes me about the people in Brentford and the community down here is, how proud they are to be from Brentford and how proud they are of their town.
The reason Brentford's unique, I think, is the people. There's a really diverse group of people here.
It's really kind of community-like. We know our neighbours, we're friends with them. We've got a local park, which is really amazing. We buy the Thames.
Brentford is unique simply because of the river, the football club, the people, the spirit, and it's changing, which is good.
I was so excited coming down here this morning that when I arrived, and it's going to happen now, tears came to my eyes because it's so exciting. And if this is an example of what the project is going to be like, I'm really excited by it.